TinyBluePingus. Are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned.
The musical Donkey. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a donkey named Dummy. He worked hard all day, carrying heavy sacks for his master. But when night came, oh ho ho, Dummy had other plans.
I may carry sacks by day, but by night I'm a musical genius. Hee-haw! Hee-haw!
Dummy loved to sing. His best friend was a clever jackal named Jackie. Every night, they sneaked into a nearby farm to munch on juicy cucumbers. One night, Dummy and Jackie were munching cucumbers, hiding in the farmer's field.
Fresh and crispy. Farmer's field never disappoints.
Jackie said,
So tasty! My belly is full. And now it's time for a performance. Hee-haw!
said Dummy. Shh! Are you crazy? The farmer will hear us, warned Jackie. But Dummy was in his own world, and he said,
Let them hear. The world deserves my voice. I am the singer donkey of the year. Hee-haw!
Oh dear! The donkey sang louder and louder, so loud that even the crickets ran away. And the farmer ran towards his field.
Who is making that noise in my field? I'll teach him a lesson,
said the angry farmer, grabbing a stick. I warned you, Dummy! I'm out of here, whispered Jackie, and he ran like the wind. But Dummy, he was too busy taking a bow.
Thank you, my dear audience. One more song, huh? Hee-haw!
The farmer reached his field and saw Dummy singing with his eyes closed. He gave Dummy a good thwack on the bottom. And that, my friends, was the end of his midnight concert. The next night, Dummy limped back home quite as a mouse. Oh dear, poor Dummy learned a lesson the hard way. From that day on, he didn't stop singing forever, but he did learn when and where to sing. So kids, what do we learn from the story? We learn that it's wonderful to speak or sing and express yourself. But it's also very smart to know where to speak and when it's better to stay quiet. And most importantly, always listen to good advice, especially from your clever friends.